Okay, hi. Welcome to another episode. It's me. Hi, welcome to another episode of me yapping. Yapping about something important, I promise. Yeah, something not pointless, but something pointful. Is that a word? Something pointful. Okay, today I'll be talking about how your brain works. And by the way, I'm sorry I'm going to be using some filler words, impressions. Yeah, filler impression or filler sounds because this is my first time. Yeah, I'm sorry you are going to have to see that. And I have this American accent, kind of, I mean, and my Nigerian accents. And I actually feel more comfortable using my Nigerian accent. But I'm going to use both. You are welcome. So let's talk about how our brain works. So our brain have these two sides, conscious and subconscious. So the conscious side is where our brain process the things that is currently happening, where it process like answers to give you, where it process when someone asks you a question, that's where you process the answers and the question, because that is not so important to like embed it in your brain for a long time. That's basically it, if you understand me. And the subconscious part, that is where I call the powerful part of our brain. That is, that is the powerful part. That is the part that is capable of controlling us. That is the part that is capable of shaping who we are, shaping our personality, or shaping how we think or just live. Yeah, the subconscious part. And that subconscious part, that is where you should be conscious about, because that is where it develops habits. That is where it takes decision on itself based on the data you feed it. Sound a lot like AI to me right now when I'm saying it. Yeah, it sound a lot like AI. The data information you feed it over time, it uses that data to shape how it reacts, how it like put informations where it's supposed to put it, how it our subconscious part, there's a process your brain goes to filter different things and take the ones that will be stored in our subconscious part and like throw away the remaining. And it's it's undergoes that process over a long time of you seeing something, of you feeding it something. So when you feed your brain, or when you do something like, let's say you walk a path every day from point A to point B, that fact, when you do it one times, two times, three times, it is just going to be on your conscious mind. But when you start to do it multiple times, that is where your brain realize this is going to be embedded in subconscious parts. So it uses a lot of information you gathered, you feed it, and decide to develop some habits, decide to make decision on itself. That sounds kind of scary, but that's how it works. So it develops stuff like anxiety, and I'll try to explain what anxiety actually is to our brain subconscious parts. Anxiety and stuff like that, and the opposite parts, like being confident without you like knowing it. And like let's take the anxiety, how your brain like decide to see this is a place for me to make this person anxious. You understand? Anxiety I'm sorry. Woo! This is my first part. So my brain keeps blanking out. Maybe it's because I have this anxiety myself. I'm sorry you want to have to see that. Um, I'm still doubting myself. And I know, yeah, it's just this way. I'm going to pray. Sorry, I'm starting to go into another topic, like having a testimony session. I'm not trying to do that. So I'll try my best to explain to you this what's the subconscious part of your brain is actually capable of. So when we talk about anxieties, what happens when you feel anxious? It's your brain. It's your brain. That subconscious part. Is that your subconscious part? Sorry, I keep repeating the same thing. Trying to give warning to your body to like this is uncomfortable for us based on the information of or the things it had been seen over time. It develops this thing to make you feel anxious whenever something happens because you train the brain to you give the brain information to think that this situation we are in is not safe for us. It's not safe for us. And the same thing goes with when you feel down, when you feel not enough. Yeah, you did some habit, you show your brain some things that when it develops over time, you makes it think that you are not enough for this thing, this exact thing. That's what is happening. I don't know if you understand actually, but that's actually what is happening. But just see you in the next episode. Also, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going to do better. But trust me, going forward, the information I'll be sharing here is going to be useful. Yeah, it is going to be. And tell me, did I have the has the ability to mix the accents I know how to speak with? Tell me in the comments. I don't know. Man, nice to meet you. And thank you for sitting down and hearing me. Yeah, poorly. Because it is poor. Then. Um, Nice to meet you again. Let's have a handshake. See you on another episode. Thank you for calling. Peace.